Hello class R, I'm here to read you this week's story that all our activities are going to be based on. I'm reading from this strange position outside a door because it's really sunny and everyone's mowing their lawn and trimming hedges and doing really noisy stuff, so this is the quietest place I could find to read you what the Ladybird heard. So now we're doing all about kind of farms and farmyard, so this is one of my favourite farm related stories from Julia Donaldson. And here is a lovely big picture of the story setting. You can see the whole farmyard here, the farmer's house, all the different animals in the different areas. Very cool. Let's get started. Once upon a time, on a farm there lived a fat red hen, a duck in a pond, and a goose in a pen, a woolly sheep and a hairy hog, a handsome horse and a dainty dog, a cat that meowed and a cat that purred, and a fine prize cow and a ladybird. The cow said moo, and the hen said cluck. Hiss, said the goose, and quack, said the duck. Neigh, said the horse, and oink, said the hog. Baa, said the sheep, and whoop, said the dog. One cat meowed, and the other one purred. And the ladybird never said a word. But the ladybird saw, and the ladybird heard. She saw two men in a big black van, with a map, a key, and a cunning plan. And she heard them whisper, "This is how we're gonna steal the fine prize cow." I think they're from London. Open up the gate in the dead of night, past the horse and then turn right, round the duck pond and past the hog. Careful not to wake the dog. And left past the sheep and straight ahead and through the door of the fine prize cow's shed. That's a really cool map. Can you see that? He's got all his directions to steal the fine prize cow. And the little spotty ladybird, who never before had said a word, told the animals, "This is how those thieves are planning to steal the cow. They'll open up the gate in the dead of night. And they'll pass the horse and then turn right, round the duck pond past the hog. Be careful not to wake the dog. Left past the sheep and straight ahead, and through the door to the fine prize cow's shed." And the cow said moo, and the hen said cluck. Hiss, said the goose, and quack, said the duck. Neigh, said the horse, oink, said the hog. Baa, said the sheep, and whoop, said the dog. Both the cats began to meow. "We can't let them steal the fine prize cow." But the ladybird had a good idea, and she whispered it into each animal's ear. Follow this. Oh, she's been a busy ladybird. Wonder what her plan is. And at the dead of night, the two bad men, Hefty Hugh and Lanky Len, opened up the gate while the farmer slept, and tiptoed into the farm they crept. Then the goose said, "Nay," with all her might. And Len said, "Let's the horse turn right." Funny looking horse. And the dainty dog began to quack. "The duck," said Hugh. "We're on the right track." Oink, said the cats. "There goes the hog. Be careful not to wake the dog." "Baa, baa," said the fat red hen. "The sheep, we're nearly there," said Len. Then the duck on the pond said, "Moo, moo, moo." "Two more steps to go," said Hugh. Do you see what the animals have done? They've confused them. And they both stepped into the duck pond, splosh. And the farmer woke and said, "Golly gosh." He called the cops and they came, Nina, and they threw the thieves into their panda car. Can you think why they call it a panda car? Look at the colours. Then the cow said moo, and the hen said cluck. Hiss, said the goose, and quack, said the duck. Neigh, said the horse. Oink, said the hog. Ba, said the sheep, and woof, said the dog. The farmer cheered, and both cats purred. And the ladybird said never a word. Oh, what a nice ending. And there is that big farm picture again. What a super setting for a story. All those animals that were clever enough to change their noises in the dark night to confuse the robbers. I like it.